In this video, I'll show you how to free transform your clips in DaVinci Resolve using the transform effect. This technique gives you full control to stretch, skew, and reshape your video directly in the viewer. Let's get started. First, select your clip in the timeline, then go to the Effects panel. Open the Open Effects section, and in the search bar, type Transform. Drag and drop the Transform effect onto your clip. Next, open the inspector and go to the Effects tab. Under the Transform effect, expand the Control Mode dropdown and change it from Standard to Interactive Pins. Now, expand the Transform section right below that and make sure Open Effects Overlay is enabled. Once that's on, you'll see control points appear directly in your viewer. From here, you can click and drag the corners to reshape the clip however you like. You can adjust perspective, scale one side independently, or skew the image to create dynamic layouts or creative distortion. That's it. This is a great way to get more creative freedom with your framing inside the edit page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.